Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off or hide our app screen button in Samsung Galaxy S22. We are talking about this little button here. What does it do? It's a shortcut for our applications. It's the same function that we have by swiping. Let's say we don't want it here, how to turn it off, how to hide it. We need to go to settings, then in home screen menu, we have show app screen button on home screen. Just tap it once to turn it off. Let's go back, and now our shortcut button is now hidden. It's no longer here. To go to our apps screen, we just need to swipe like we did every time. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.